to make a origami bird. And as you can see, like, it is awesome and you can blow it up. So this is the instructions. Go. Step 1. Fold the paper like this.
We're making Pocky.
Paki means bird in our language. Always ask an adult for this part. Always ask an adult to help you for this part. You must, the X-Acto knife is the only thing that'll work this time. It's better to do this one cut instead of doing a lot. Then you have to fold the paper back on itself. It's okay if it's a little different on an angle. As you can see, my uncle, he doesn't care about the angles, but it's always perfect.
In the end, it will look like.
Next step is fold the paper back on itself. Then fold the paper like you're making a cruise ship. But always ask an adult who can do this for this part, because this might get a little tricky. And as you can see, he's made another square.
It's shaped as a diamond too. No, that's not a rectangle.
This is the hard part, so always ask someone to do this.
That looks like God. No.
And it doesn't matter if the paper gets all wrinkled, because it'll all be done in another solution.
Is this rectangle? That's unexpensive.
Okay, now you have to fold the other part like this.
And that was me who ripped this paper. I did it again.
Now
And again. And again. This is how it's gonna look when it's done.
And then that is, I don't know, I forgot to keep track of what step it is, but you must ask help at this part, because it gets tricky.
This is step 5.
Then you have to fold it even skinnier. Fold it like it's even skinnier, then flip it over and do it again.
Step 6.
I don't think this is step 6, but it is a step. This time, since you have 4 papers, fold it inside out on each side. And now, you have to fold one part over for the wings.
Fold the other part over for the other wing.
Here, you have to fold it inside out again. Then, fold it for another wing. Then,
look like this.
fold it for another wing.
When it looks like this. Oh.
Now, you have the bird. But then now you have to make a beak. You have to stretch down the paper and fold it. This time, you have to stretch down the paper even more for the tail. And now for a grand finale, last step. This is the most coolest step yet. You have to flip it over and blow into it.
এখানে দিয়ে।
That's mine.
ওই তোমাকে দিবে ভাইয়া ব্লো করো মুখ লাগায় আর জোরে ওকে ডান
And there
Good.
you have the body. As you can see, it's all puffed up. Now
Okay.
there you have the finished origami
ওকে
bird.
এটা দিয়ে দাও এটা তুমি নাও
Ta-na-na.
এটা-
Wait.
একটা তুমি নাও একটা লাবিব নাও একটা আলিফ নাও এটা আলিফকে দাও
Oh,
You want this?